The single most important lesson that you have to learn in life is this: how to love like Jesus. Learning to love like God loves you. The whole reason God puts you on this planet is not to make money, not to retire, not to just have a lot of fun and die. God puts you here on this planet to learn how to love. And if you don't do that, you miss the point of life. He put you here to learn how to love God and to love your neighbor as yourself. And if you don't learn that, you've just missed it.
The most important thing in life is to live a life of love.
My homies call me eyes. How we gon' heal the world? Love is my advice. We need to love God. We need to love ourselves.